Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this gorgeous border. It can be crocheted on anything, baby blankets, anything, skirts, pants of the hem. You can crochet this. I did it on a towel, so sheets, anything, fabric. So let's go into it right away. I had this in my stash. I ordered it from Hobby. It's cotton. You can use any yarn in your stash. I wanted to crochet something light to match the towel. So it's 100% cotton. I did iron it. So, cotton, you need to iron it or else the shape goes away. So I do iron my cottons. So let's get started. Okay, there's 2 steps to do this. Let me just show it to you. The first step is we're going to crochet these eyelets here. Okay, and eyelets. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to use 2 different crochet hooks. One is the smallest I have, which is a 2mm crochet hook, and the other I tried to crochet with the 2mm, but it was too small to grab the stitches, so unfortunately it did not work, so I had to grab the 2.5 crochet hook. Okay, so I'm just looking. I started here on the edge of the towel, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to poke my crochet hook. It's a little bit tough. You can use, I don't know, any tool that you have, like something like this. It would even work just to, make a hole like this, and you poke your crochet hook. So I can even do that with a 2.5. So first do a chain, 1 chain, and then pull it from here, just like this, and then pull it a little bit high, and then make it like a single crochet. And after chain 1, 2, 3, I'm going to grab my other. I just realized I can use this tool that I have, and then I'm going to give it a little bit, I don't know, 1 inch maybe, if you measure it with a measuring tape. Not even 1 inch, I would say 1/2 inch, less than 1/2 inch, because we need to fit in total of 8 of these. So here, if I poke it, see, let me just show it to you on this one. So I need to make, right here, I need to make 8. So it's not even, it's less than I would say 1/4 maybe inch. So we need to make total of 8 to make this flower. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I need 8. The first flower is going to be 8. So put that in mind. So I'm going to grab my 2.5. And like I said, it's oops. Here it is. 3 chain between 2, 3. And then pull it. Either you can wave this while you go. I waved mine later when I was done. And then again, 1, 2, 3. And again, it's a little bit tough to poke it. You need something sharp. Poke it. Pull it a little bit up, and then secure it, and then after that 1, 2, 3, and then you keep on repeating. Like I said, it's really tough to poke it with the crochet hook because it's not sharp enough. So I would use this sort of tool, or like I said, a smaller crochet hook would do the job as well. But if you have something sharp like this, definitely that would work. Okay, so I'm going to continue making these, and I will show you. Oops, where did the other part go of the fabric? Here we go. Again, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do the 4. So I will continue making these, and I'll be right back. It takes a little bit time and effort, but we need enough numbers to make these flowers. So I made 4. Yeah, you need to have certain numbers. Okay, I'll be right back. This is going to take me a while. Okay, so I have finished all the way here. Okay, so what I did is, first I did 9, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I put a marker. So one flower, one rose is going to be in this this 9 thing. Divide eyelets, I don't know what you would like to call it. So I'm counting these in between the fabric. So 9, and then the next is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the second rows, and then third is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last one is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put a little bit of gap. There's still left here. That's okay. So I'm going to start right away. Okay. I'm not going to break my thread. So I chain 1, and I'm going to turn my work. Just like this, turn my work. And then I am going to chain 3 to go up. And then right here in this space, I am going to make 2, 4, 5 double crochets. Okay, or you can pull it by 3, it's up to you. You can do it whichever you like. I'm going to pull it by, because my thread is pretty thin. Okay, just hold this toe. So I'm pulling it by 3 because of my thread. But you can pull it by 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5. So with the chain, it would be total of 6. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 right here where the 3 chain is. I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, just like this. I am going to turn my work, and on this 13 chain, I'm going to make total of 14 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. Going to chain 3 to go up, turn my work, and on that first one here, first I'm going to make a double crochet. I'm pulling it by 3, but you can make a double crochet. And then the next one, so we're going to make total of 4. 3, just double checking. You know, you forget. How many did I make? Yeah, I'm counting. I made 4. With the chain, it's total of 5. Okay, 3, 4, and with the chain, it's 5. Okay. Now I'm going to repeat this. Repeat this 3 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oopsie, lost it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then come to the same 3 chain. I just do a single crochet. And I turn my work and I make 14 single crochets. So I'm going to let you do the same thing 3 times, just like here. Oops, where's the beginning? 1, we did 1, so we're doing the second. 3, actually 4 times, 4 times. So on the 5th, I will meet you on the 5th, okay? So again, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th, so do it 4 times, and on the 5th I will meet you, okay? Super easy, it's super fun, and it goes super fast. I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 chain, turn around, and then fill it with 14. But on the last one, I want to explain why we're going to chain 1 less. When we're turning right here, I'll show it to you here. See, this part, just 1 chain less than, so it gives us this nice effect. See here, I did, can you see? That 1 extra chain gives a different look, can you see? It's like ruffling there, so I don't like it. I want it nice and firm. So that's the reason we're going to chain 12 instead of 13 on that last branch of the flower. So just wanted to give you that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's the only one. And then we come here. Right here, there's room. It's a little bit crowded, but that's okay. See? We turn our work and then we fill it with 13 again. It's the same single crochet. It's just that 1 chain that we do less. So I just wanted to point out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's focusing on the background, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. Chain 3 to go up, and then repeat what we did. Again, I'm pulling it by 3, but you can do double crochet. It's up to you. Two, 3, and then 4. Okay, now we're going to skip 1, 2, 3. On the 4th, right here, we're going to make a double crochet right there. So remove this is done. This is the reason I put the markers. It's super easy. So we're going to repeat what we did at the beginning. We're going to make total of 5 double crochets, including with the, that 3 chain. So then it would be 6, okay? Let me see. Let me just double check what I did here. I think I did 5, no, 6. 2, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, and then the last one, and then we repeat what we did. What we did is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here we make a single crochet. Turn our work, and then we fill it with 14 single crochets. So 13 chain, 14 single crochet. 2, oops, that's split. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, chain 3 to go up. So you can rewind and watch what we did, but we do the same 13 chain, 14 single crochets, total of 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th we do 12 chain instead of 13. That's all we do. And then you just repeat as long as you make, as many as you make, but don't forget to count. The first one is 9, spaces between, and the second is 8, and it goes to 8, 8, 8, but the first is always 9. Okay? So I hope you like this tutorial. I just had to show it to you. This is one of the easiest, elegant, one-of-a-kind border stitches. It's not new. It's been out there since I was a little girl, I remember. But I remember my grandmother, my aunt, they used to do it with thread. Of course, then it becomes tinier. Because this is number 1, it's bigger. So I thought this would be perfect on a towel or on a sheet, anything that you want to desire. You can even make curtains, put it on the edge of the fabric, and put it on your window to get rid of the sun. Yeah, definitely. Why not? And it looks elegant. So I hope you like this tutorial. I wanted to share you how to crochet this border. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. If you have any questions, comments, please write them below. I do first have to approve them, because I get nasty people. Nasty people, and I do not approve their comments. So you guys take care. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.